Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. So would you try a cake that is high in fiber, gluten-free, with no oil or butter added? And the best part, it comes together in minutes. I would, and I loved how moist and delicious it came out. Let me show you how to make it, and let's get started. This recipe is so easy, you can make it in your sleep. You're gonna start with 3 extra large eggs. These are about 70 grams each. To that, you're gonna add some vanilla extract and some almond extract. Half a teaspoon of almond extract, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of granulated sugar, and mix. You're simply gonna use the hand whisk for all the recipe. You're gonna add 3/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream, mix as well. Now I'm gonna add 1 cup of coconut flour. The coconut flour will absorb the liquid and it should look ribbony. This is the final texture of the cake batter. You can add some coconut flakes, unsweetened coconut flakes. You can leave it out, it's totally up to you. And at the end, I'm gonna add half a tablespoon of baking powder and just a touch of salt to balance the flavors. And the batter is literally ready. I'm gonna grease the pan, add the batter, bake at 350 for 30 minutes. You can use parchment if you're afraid it'll stick. And you can top with some sliced almonds or more coconut flakes before placing in the oven. 30 minutes later, and it looks golden and beautiful, and it's so soft and moist. This really didn't need any oil. I love how soft it is and how easy it is to make. Please give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments box below. It's perfect the way it is, but you can absolutely add some pineapple. You can add some pistachio pudding on top, or maybe some coconut cream cheese frosting. It's totally up to you. I serve it with lots of berries. I'll see you soon in the next video, and until next time, bon appétit!